Hi, in this video, we will compare Pipedrive and ClickUp. Pipedrive is a web-based customer relationship management software designed with sales teams in mind, particularly those in small and medium-sized businesses. It emphasizes a visual and user-friendly approach to sales pipeline management. Pipedrive organizes leads and deals using a visual pipeline metaphor. You can see all your deals at different stages of the sales process in a single view, allowing you to focus on the most important ones. Pipedrive helps you capture and qualify leads, track their interactions with your business, and nurture them into paying customers. Create stunning emails with templates and a simple drag-and-drop builder. Pipedrive provides insightful reports and dashboards that help you track your sales performance, identify trends, and forecast future revenue. Pipedrive offers a marketplace with hundreds of integrations for various third-party tools and services, allowing you to extend the functionality of Pipedrive to fit your specific needs. Pipedrive provides a 14-day free trial with each plan, and paid plan starts at $9.90 per month. On the other hand, ClickUp is an all-in-one project management platform designed to be flexible and adaptable for various uses. It goes beyond task management and offers collaboration, communication, and streamlining workflow features. You can break down projects into manageable chunks, assign them to team members, and set due dates and priorities. ClickUp offers a variety of views to visualize your tasks, including Kanban boards, Gantt charts, lists, calendars, and mind maps. Choose the view that best suits your project and preferences. Visually brainstorm ideas and collaborate with your team using the online whiteboard feature. Communicate directly with team members in real time through dedicated chat channels or within tasks and documents. ClickUp offers built-in mini applications like time tracking, mind maps, and email, reducing the need for external integrations. While ClickUp doesn't have a native app marketplace, many third-party services offer integrations with ClickUp. ClickUp provides a free plan forever and paid plan starts at $7 per month. If you want to try both Pipedrive and ClickUp for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.